Hispanic Heritage Month is September 15th to October 15th, and I have 3 recommendations for you. Island Born is a multicultural treasure about honoring your heritage because it is a part of you no matter how long you've been away from it. The primary character is trying to learn about the islands from her family and neighbors for a school project. Charuco drew me in because of my love of archaeology, but it would be a great elementary read to learn about Peru, Julio C. Tello, and anthropology and archaeology. Nino Wrestles the World is an adorable and funny look at lucha libre, a type of professional wrestling popular in Mexico. Nino fights against many icons of Hispanic heritage in his fantasy play. National Poetry Day is October 7th. We have 3 great diverse titles to recommend. Ohana Means Family is a story told in verse from the indigenous Polynesians of Hawaii. It tells us about the land and what they grow for their family's luau's. Child of the Universe. The stunning illustrations in this book are a showstopper. Not in a traditional verse, but there's a lyrical quality to the inspiring words of a father to a daughter about her place in the universe. Just Like Me is a celebration of young girls, how great, different, vibrant, strong, and capable they are. This book made me smile from cover to cover, and I think would be fun for all ages, but especially 1st through 5th grade. Each page is a different poem and perspective, so it could be picked up and read at different times. Sloth Day is October 20th. Slowly, 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 said the sloth by Eric Carle. It's always a classic for the preschool age. We get glimpses of a sloth throughout the day, a fun vocabulary lesson, and a lesson on being yourself regardless of others' opinions. Sparky is a sweet story of a girl who just wanted a pet. Sparky the sloth doesn't really meet anyone's expectations of a traditional pet, but she loves him anyway. Halloween is on October 31st. There are hundreds of books we could recommend, but I picked 2 this year. Pumpkin Day. I adore this one. It is fun to look at and very educational about pumpkins. I, even as an adult, even learned some new facts, jokes, and riddles about this seasonal treat. Scary, Scary Halloween is a story told from the perspective of a family of cats on Halloween and how they see us running through the street in costume. Dia de los Muertos isn't until November 1st and 2nd, but I wanted to include it in this video to give you time to check out books before the 1st. Clatter Bash. I love this book for toddlers and preschoolers. It's short with fun illustrations, and the text has a beat to it. The Spirit of Tio Fernando. I think this is a great picture for elementary ages, probably a bit too much text for preschool. It goes into the customs of Dia de los Muertos in a sensitive way, focusing on the importance of family and where you come from.